WTC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
For the second straight day, we were treated to an almost spring-like day here in June for Acadiana. Thanks to the cloud cover, temperatures only topped out at 84 degrees here in the hub city. Most of us staying in the low 80s, so a very comfortable day. And with a second June cool front coming later tonight, we'll get another nice day of low humidity tomorrow before we start to get back to that summertime heat and humidity by the weekend, along with a slight rain chance. Taking a look outside earlier today up in the Port Barre area, you can really see that white milky cloud, that sky deck that we had, thanks to all those high clouds that moved atop the region, kind of dulling out that sunshine for most of the day and keeping temperatures in check. But I think we get rid of all these clouds and get back to a bright blue sunny sky for our Thursday. So on the satellite and radar picture, the reason we had all those high level clouds move atop the region is that we had an upper level system move out into the Gulf of Mexico. That's where all the rain stayed, but it did send a good bit of those high level clouds over top much of South Louisiana, including us here in Acadiana. But now it's starting to make its way off to the east, and we're already starting to see a clearing line develop back towards Lake Charles, extending up into Allen Parish and even up towards Alexandria. They're beginning to see the sunshine, but while we continue to have some of these high level clouds, should create another beautiful sunset throughout much of Acadiana later on this evening in the next couple hours. Once the sun goes down just after 8 o'clock this evening, should get those nice orange and red shades up in those high level clouds this evening. But I do think by tomorrow all those clouds are out of here. So temperatures started off in the upper 60s, lower 70s, 84 for the high today, and that's where we kind of sit right now. 83 in Lafayette. We got some lower 80s throughout much of Acadiana. We do have some upper 70s for rain down to Pecan Island, but 86 where they do see that sunshine now beginning to peek through the clouds in Alexandria. And we also got 87 over towards Lake Charles and DeRidder, where that sunshine is now making its way through the clouds. And you can see that dry air up to our north is beginning to move that warm, moist air out to the east, and so we should have another comfortable day tomorrow as this front begins to make its way through the state and out into the Gulf of Mexico by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. So you'll definitely want to have the sunglasses for your Thursday. High pressure moves over the region, bringing that northerly flow again behind the front. So another round of very comfortable dry air will be pushing into the region. So another great day to get outside and enjoy the sunshine, as it won't be too hot or humid. And then by Friday, that pressure moves off to the east. We get a little bit more of an easterly wind, so a bit more clouds around, starting to feel the humidity return a little bit. But it will be back in full force heading into your Father's Day weekend. And with the extra moisture in the atmosphere, that could lead to 1 or 2 isolated showers. Model's not picking up a whole lot with this, but we'll go 30% chance for maybe a few isolated showers during the afternoon on our Saturday. But for the most part, doesn't look too bad. Sunday morning could again have an isolated chance for a few stray showers to begin the day. Better moisture chances stay up to our north and to our west. So if you're maybe doing some traveling up in that direction, you could run into some more scattered showers on Sunday. But it does look like Father's Day here locally should be dry. Just going to be a hot and humid one with feel-like temperatures pushing the triple digits. We do see that front get a little closer to us by Monday, and that'll give us a little better rain chance. So we'll bump them up to about a 40% chance for some scattered showers and storms into the first half of next week. But temperatures this evening, mid to upper 60s across most of the area, so a comfortable start. We'll get into the upper 80s, maybe 90 degrees with the dry air. The temperatures will be able to heat efficiently, but it'll still feel comfortable tomorrow afternoon. A very refreshing start on Friday. Our coolest morning with some lower 60s to the north. I think mid 60s a good bet for most of Acadiana come Friday morning, and then back to near 90 degrees by Friday afternoon. So comfortable though in the meantime. 68 for that overnight low if the sky is clearing out by morning. Then our Wednesday looks fantastic with a full day of sunshine and the humidity remaining in check. Temperatures near 90 degrees. Still not bad on Friday, but then kind of back to our summertime pattern over the weekend. A few chances for rains, but I wouldn't cancel any of those Father's Day plans that you might have outside. And then it's just right on back to June weather into next week, as those overnight lows are going to be very disgusting in the upper 70s. So enjoy the next couple of days, because that's about all we get of it.
All righty. Thank you, Eric.